Hi, I am Rafa. I want to tell you about my daily activities. I wake up at 5 o'clock and I take a bath. After taking a bath, I go to school at 6 o'clock. I start studying at school at 6 o'clock.
7.
At 7 o'clock. I finish studying at 1:30. After going home, sometimes I play with my friends. Usually, I play at my old school. In the evening, sometimes I have English course at 5 o'clock until 6 o'clock. At 6:30, sometimes I have math course.
After
After having math course, I play with my friend. After playing with my friend, I sleep at 11 o'clock.